With me. Good night. Good night, good night. Welcome to Hitz92 FM. What's your name, my darling? Run, top on my something, top on my something. Said something. Only sister down here. I said something. They said something. They never say M-I-C. What is this, sir? Sure, what is your name, my love?
My name is Randahvis.
Randahvis. So what are you, a dancehall artist, reggae artist, gospel what?
You can say reggae artist.
Reggae,
yeah. With the culture,
yeah, you deal with the conscious music. Yeah. You deal with the message.
And the ghetto youth there.
And the ghetto youth.
Yes, represent.
Alright then, so what? Them have a rhythm?
Yeah,
Say you have the rhythm.
Yeah.
So take it away now, baby. Take it away.
Yeah, I mean I say good vibes entertainment. Big up yourself. All our sponsors have in our building. They don't know. Randahvis from all the way in Kingston. So I mean I say one crew, big up on yourself. You see it? Every ghetto youth have a story. This is mine, you hear that? Just listen keenly, yeah? Alright, turn it up, look up. Yeah. Yo, once upon a time, dog. Things used to tight, dog. One bath pan of water, no sleep with no light, dog. Plus hungry a bite hard. Lips are compete who can produce more white spot from morning till nightfall. Mama, you're quite strong. Sometimes it's like this show without team tight and all people for no reason. We used to fight, man. Continue hold it. My bygones be bygones. Me try to get all three. Work hard to harvest. To make it is a must, bro. Like Alpha, you want bet? My name just not call yet. It's final like Farfetch. One thing we know, dog, my success no far-fetched, but yet life no start yet. Yes, still them want it. No me spring up, some I wonder how me no fall yet. Vampires with crab neck when no come in like that. Good things say me, have a drive like a Scarlet. Man, 2 weeks on the top, bro. So it not gonna stop though. At a point to a green light, want to know how that go. Not even full stop, can I go pass now pre-lotto. Work hard with my bread, you can even ask Strato. Try make it like factory, can't start from the top though. Some come in like tampons, only know if it stop flow. It's funny dog, never know. There was some human made drunk those, one kill your fear own. Like really, it's sad though. I walk out for 2 foot, bring a name dog like school book. One thing me sure about when the goose dog it's so cooked. You make my blood boil, same like how the soup cook. Can't to trust people, learn that from life rule book. Cause human beings now, how punish for shoes though. Even when them fail, no surprise that me use though. I don't see winners, me not see even soon no. Bring a safe dog a last, up on Mars like Bruno.
Sit there. Rolling alive. If you're rolling, so rolling. Oh, never tell a lie. So what's up, boss?
Yeah, well I know freestyle, just one little bit more time. You see it?
Remember what my job, me I make a do. Remember my light on my Archie or do. Me I make it clean here. Me I make a do. Yeah. Ah, man.
We're now over this, let's see. Thanks for the exposure. Alright, so one more life. More strength. We thank God, yeah, for one more year like clothesline. We are all them. And we fight hard, yeah, to reach our goals, make things right. Me no friends, life did rough. And now in the city cars feel like for them. Like knobs, we are open the door them.
Thank you so much. Remind me the name again because you have
Randahvis.
Mr. Yap, and I say your real name? Oh, that's why I can't remember. Randahvis. And which community you hail from again?
Tower Hill.
Tower Hill. And which one we find that now?
Philip Crescent, half Olympic way, Anjo constituency.
So which one we find it again?
Coming from 3 miles, past Olympic way.
Where we take go down there? Where you find it?
You can take bus, anything. Please,
bus, taxi?
Taxi, anything.
What number bus will we take go down there if we want to find Anjo?
81 from town and 82 from Crossroads.
Right there, Right there, Alright, thank you so much. Randahvis is the name. Thank you to all of my artists. Randahvis, Flexi, and Nerves. I can't forget Nerves coming. Rolling alive. Yeah. But like the community here, big up some vocals present. It's all about the RJV, the cross-country invasion. But like how we just always support the artists. You understand what I say? Because the artists them have to start from somewhere. You understand? See the man never does the most so. You understand? If you get up a boom and then him turn into a king. You understand what I say? So big up to all our you know some don't like hello. I don't like Cornelius. You know some gonna send him back for the country bus. I don't like him. Who give him a mic? sir. I'm not coming over. I'm staying right now. I'm walking through this song. I'm not coming up. No, Xavier, hold on there. Hold on. Carnius, we don't use you. We don't use you. And Xavier, we are use. Xavier, what you say? Talk to me now. Talk to me now. Xavier, really? I say you're going to flop me in front of the people, eh? Yeah. Oh, God.
You know, see if you want to see it tonight, don't.
Hey! Trouble is here! Trouble is here! I like it. It's all about the Hollywood chill spot in women again. Focus. Condom. Come from down. Come here, auntie. Come here. From night, I'm gonna talk to you. From night, I'm gonna talk to you. What? You good?
I'm good.
Enjoy yourself, don't it?
Always.
What do you want to say to the listeners of Hitz92?
I want to say a great thanks to you all. I appreciate you all coming here. I'm from Freetown, Clarendon, but I grew up also in this community, playing football all over the community. A big thank you to you all. Bless up on yourself. Bless up Virgil. Bless up the artists, them. Big up to Sterlingville and 32 South Street, Bolaba. You don't know, only for excitement down there. You can come along. That's my venue in Bolaba.
So you don't want to big up Ozzy and the kids there? You don't want to big up Ozzy?
Okay, big up my husband, Mr. Mamba, you don't know. Big up the son, Daniel Harrison. Big up my mother from Canada, Brenda. Big up myself.
So who come over tonight? When name I come over?
Nobody now come over, over the stay right.
See that? Right, sir. One man should say. Right, sir. Yeah, yo. Like it. Come talk to me. Come again. Come and say, watch my girl. If you ever come back down the RGRC, if you ever come back down, cross the hello. If you ever pass the gates, we can't in a community and talk to it. I say this thing. But honestly, how we in a community and talk to us, girl? What's your girl come up me? Remember, say Corona still real. You can't be so. It can't be so near. Yeah. So what's about your community that you love so much?
Alright, so it's not a violent community, as you can see, all of us keep loving as one big happy family, so that's what I like about here. Alright, so what else? As I said before, all of us is loving. And you see somebody who falls, somebody who support each other and stuff like that.
So if I know the money for go back up later, anybody can put me up like you know, not put me up. Oh, see me trying to tell them about the community here? See me, hello, me not leave. Me not hold on them, I'm a virgin. I'm a virgin. Come here, ask her, because you go like you walk up. Remember, you know, remember say a press game medium. So anywhere in the world, anywhere in Jamaica, I go, I have to know somebody. You see what I say? So when I pull up, I'm Muggles earlier. This is my virgin, I'm saying, press game, you never call me until I say it here. You understand what I say? Walk on, ask her, where you going with? So as I asked her earlier, what is it about your community that you love so much?
First of all, it's a athletic community. A lot of sport personalities are from here. And as you can see, Georgie, you know, we're the personality, see me, you know what I mean?
And them can't cook good because the man them down here can't cook good. Ask Ken. Chef Kent, go out with a bag of things round there. I don't have me away about 3 hours for one jerk chicken. But ask Ken now. Ask Ken, let me taste him lobster, him bad for the lobster, you know. So when are the cook out? You have a cook out?
Yeah, 29th of April. Right in this community, save me, so everybody can follow. All seafood, you know what I mean? Lobster, shrimp, conch, fish.
Lobster bad, last them up garlic lobster. I skill bad like that. Yeah. Big ups to all of the community. Listen to me now. Trust me, we have to come back down here. But like when you shake your head, don't it? Because you must shine on. You enjoy yourself tonight? You like that RJ came down here and enjoyed himself with us? You know what I'm saying? Grateful. I like you. I like how you give thanks and you're grateful, uncle. Walk on.
Hello there, I go and give thanks, you know what I mean? Come from the community to see me here. It's a hard to see me. I just can never get to chance to perform. I can do something still, be nice if I say something. You know what I mean? Alright, give me something enough. Alright. Let's say you're something I didn't do.
Lord Jesus have mercy. Hello, I'm at work. Big up yourself. Big up on yourself and all these things. But me want